Watercress. This little leaf packs a flavor punch. It's peppery, it's fresh, and it's been a favorite for centuries. The ancient Greeks and Romans loved it. They thought it was brilliant for health and energy. And guess what? They were onto something. Watercress grows in water, which is pretty cool. You'll often find it near springs and streams. Next time you see some, grab a bunch. Right, let's talk nutrition. Watercress is a superstar. Seriously, it's bursting with vitamins and minerals. Vitamin C, check. It helps your immune system fight off those nasty bugs. Iron, you bet. It's crucial for healthy blood. And hold on tight because there's more. Watercress is also packed with vitamin K, which is important for your bones. Plus, it's got antioxidants, which are like superheroes for your cells. This little leaf is a health hero. Studies show that eating watercress can help lower blood pressure. That's good news for your heart. It can even help protect against some types of cancer. The antioxidants in watercress are thought to play a role in this. And wait for it, the watercress is good for your skin too. It can help give you a healthy glow. Now, how do you eat this wonder food? Easy peasy. Watercress is super versatile. Add a handful to your salads for a peppery kick. Whiz it into smoothies for a nutritional boost. You can even stir-fry it with garlic and ginger for a tasty side dish. Get creative and enjoy the fresh, peppery flavor of this superfood.